Assembly ground relationship. The first part dragged into an assembly is automatically grounded. So let's start by coming out to our class files, assembly. We're going to come down to the ground folder. And then I'd like to open up the assembly called ground. Now this looks very simple. We've done something like this before. All we did was come up here to axial align, grab the pin center, the cylinder, and placed it inside the block cylinder. But in this case we get a relationship conflict. Conflicts with others and cannot be placed. So what's going on here? If I hit escape and I just touch on the pin, I can come down here to the left hand corner and there's this ground constraint, and so the pin has a ground constraint on it. Let's go and touch on the block that also has a ground constraint. So sometimes when you bring in foreign data, translated parts, and there's 10 parts in there, they'll all have ground constraints on them. And so you may have to go and identify the part, identify this ground constraint right there, right mouse click and say delete the relationship. I don't want that part grounded. It has to be able to move. So now I've deleted the relationship. I come back to axial align, click on the cylinder, click on the cylinder on the block, and it works. So that's just something to watch out for. If things aren't working, go and check and make sure they're not grounded.